teach you another topic of commercial studies class 10, that is sales promotion. See, I have already discussed about advertisement in my previous video. So here we will discuss about sales promotion. Meaning of sales promotion. Sales promotion is an effort to stimulate consumers to purchase more and more of a particular commodity. Sales promotion tell the customers, matlab with the help of sales promotion, a producer can stimulate the customers, means their interest can be generated that they should purchase the commodity more and more. It includes those marketing activities other than, means advertising, personal selling and publicity will not include in sales promotion. Sales promotion will be other than this all things, and with the help of that the market demand for a product will always increase. With the help of sales promotion they can also increase the demand for that product. Now we will see the example. For example, after sales service. This is not a part of advertising, not a part of publicity, not a part of personal selling, but after sales service will increase the demand for a particular product in the market. Next, free samples. Free samples will also increase the demand of a commodity in the market. Coupons. Now see free samples how. For example, when I remembered that Himalaya anti-fairness cream was newly introduced in the market. What they did? They used to give it free with a toothpaste of Himalaya. They used to give it free. Why? They have tried a free sampling. Free sampling, when they have given, when the consumer is getting anything free, he or she will use it. After using that cream, what happened? The demand of that cream increased in the market. So these are the techniques used by the producer or the manufacturer to increase the demand of a particular commodity in the market. Moving on, the next topic is techniques of sales promotion. Means what are the techniques used by that producer to promote their sales, to increase their sales. There are two techniques are there. First we will discuss about customer sales promotion techniques. Means which techniques they use on the customers to increase the demand of their product. First, free sample. What they did? They provide free samples. Free samples means they will, like they have introduced any new product in the market, they will give the free samples with some other thing so that the consumer can use it, and afterwards they can increase that demand for that particular commodity in the market. Next, bonus stems. I remember when we all are small in our childhood days, stems are there. Suppose we have collecting the wrappers, stamps, cards of different products, that if we will collect 10 of this, we will get one more, like this some are there. So this is that are bonus stamps. Next, fair and exhibition. What they used to do? Fair and exhibition. When we enter a mall, what we used to see? We used to see number of holdings, number of exhibition types are there. So we can easily recognize what product exactly we want and we are easily buy them. Next, price cutoff. Price cutoff, when we used to see the news or that advertisements, what is there? That ये वाला साबुन की कीमत कम होके अब आपको 2 रुपए छूट बचत, ये like this. That is price cutoff, and it makes the listeners interest also. Next is coupons. Coupons are also like bonus stamps, but they are little bit different. I remember when I was small that we used to collect that coupons. That coupons are there, 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 20 rupees coupons are there that we used to collect, and when we go to the shop, we used to give that coupons and he used to give us money, or sometimes he used to give us a particular thing which is written on that coupons. So these are the techniques which the producer use to increase their sales promotion. With the help of this, their demand for that particular product increase in the market. Moving on the next topic, that is dealer sales promotion techniques. Before we have discussed how they promote the commodity among the customers. Now we are going to discuss about how they promote that commodity amongst the dealers. First, free display and trials. They provide the dealers a free display, means where the things are show. It is a showcase where they can see all the things, and trials. Trials means they should give the dealers free trials, that they should know about the product easily and comfortably, that they can make it explain to the customers. Next, demonstration to the dealers. See how to use, like electronical appliances are there, so they have to give a demonstration that this thing is working like this thing is working like this, so that they are able to give the exactly demonstration to the customers. Unless when the customer will not satisfy, they will not gonna purchase their product. Same way, the dealer should be know about the product very clearly, then only he is able to give the demonstration to the customers. Next, special trade discount. Very interesting point. See, why a dealer will purchase a particular commodity more? When he will get that special trade discount. Means special discount. Like for example, they are purchasing more. Suppose they are purchasing 100 units. So they will be getting more discount here. Next, free training. See, free training, when the producers or the manufacturers providing the free trainings like RO are there, water purifier, what they do before set up a shop, what the company have to do, the company have to train one employee of that particular shop, how to change, how to work, how to fit that particular water purifier. Unless it is not possible for the company to send their employees everywhere, so it is better for them that they could give the free trainings to the dealers' employees. Next, display content. Display content, it is organized and display very beautifully, that the dealers are easily connect with the product. When the dealers are easily connect, they are able to make the demonstration or make the customers make comfortable and easily understand about that products. Moving on the next topic, that is difference between advertising and sales promotion. Advertising, you can see it on my previous video. Now see, difference between advertising and sales promotion. Basis of distinction, advertising, sales promotion. Objective, influence the end customer. Advertising influence the final customers to purchase that particular product. But sales promotion influence channel of distribution, as we before talked, like the retailers, dealers, wholesalers, them they influence. Matlab their main work is to influence the channel of distribution. But in case of advertising, the main focus is on the final consumer, means the consumer which will use that particular product. Next, scope of activity. Advertising has a wide scope. Why it is wide scope? Because it can be seen by a number of people, globalized. And sales promotion have a limited scope. Why? Because it is only working between the channels of distribution. Next, oriented. It is customer oriented, consumer oriented, means advertising is focused on the consumers, whereas sales promotion is mainly focused on product, how they can promote their product, but here how they influence the final consumer. Need. Advertising, it is a must. Advertising is very essential to promote a product. Sales promotion is not much necessary. Routine, nature of work, it is a routine work. Routine work means it is working. Advertising is coming, one ad you will see daily on your television screens. And this is work under special circumstances. When there is a need of sales promotion, means when the product is not sold out, it is in hand. The production is more, but it is not up to the mark. The volume of sales is not up to the mark. So, the the producer have to do sales promotion, he has to use the sales promotion techniques